What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points or critical numbers and also finding whether we are dealing with local maximum or local minimum or neither. Function we have in this example is x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 2. We know critical numbers or critical points are those points that make f prime equals to 0 or undefined. Now we need to find out, if we get the f prime, what values of x make it 0 or undefined. So f prime x is going to be 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 0. So it's going to be 4x cubed minus 9x squared, make it equals to 0. So when you factor x squared, it's going to be 4x minus 9 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 and x equals to 9 over 4. So we have two critical points or numbers. Now we need to figure out which one is local minimum, which one is local maximum, or neither. You know, local maximum is when to the left of it is the function is increasing and then it's decreasing. Local minimum is going to be when it is decreasing and then increasing. So you have x squared and then you have 4x minus 9. Then you have multiplication of these two is going to give me f prime. And the two numbers, the two roots is going to be 0 and 9 over 4. We need to start it from the smaller one then to the bigger one, because here we have negative infinity, here we have positive infinity. So these two critical points divide this whole region into three different regions. One from negative infinity to 0, one from 0 to 9 over 4, and one from 9 over 4 to positive infinity. Now for each region, we need to figure out if f prime is positive or f prime is negative. It is not going to change in each region. If f prime is positive, it means that the function is increasing. If f prime is negative, it means that function is decreasing. For simplicity, we're just gonna assume a number in each region. Negative 1 in here, positive 1 in here, and plus 3 in here. So when you sub it there, negative 1 squared is positive, positive 1 squared is positive, positive 3 squared is positive as well. 4x minus 9, if you put negative 1, it's going to be negative. If you put plus 1, it's going to be negative. If you put plus 3, it's going to be positive. Plus times negative, negative, plus times negative, negative, plus times positive is positive. So it is negative, negative, and then positive. So this critical point, since it's negative and then negative, it is going to be neither. And here it is going down and then it's going up. It means that we are dealing with minimum. So we can say 9 over 4 or x equals to 9 over 4 is local minimum, and x equals to 0 is neither. So that's gonna be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.